We love this Pawaboo outdoor travel dog bed. It's waterproof and perfect for a camping dog bed. It also has a carry bag and 4 metal rods. This is washable and portable. This bed mat is great for crates and kennels. This is perfect for large and medium dogs. Our dogs range from 20 pounds up to 38 pounds. We got the size large. This is 40-inch by 26-inch in blue. This is made of splash-proof, sturdy Oxford cloth outside. You can easily wipe away spills, and the delicate stitching makes the dog mat scratch resistant and sturdy for long time use. It has a soft and breathable inner filling, providing a comfortable environment for pets.